Good afternoon. Chapter Integral. Exercise 7.5, question number 7. Question is, find the integration of x dx by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. So, this is a proper rational fraction. Denominator is x square plus 1 into x minus 1 and numerator is only x. Okay. So, it is a proper rational fraction. So, therefore, x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, this equal to, use partial fraction rule. So first a by x minus 1 plus, for x square plus 1, bx plus c by x square plus 1, where a, b and c are constant. We have to find the value of a, b and c by comparing both sides. Okay, so a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. So x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to LCM. LCM is x minus 1 into x square plus 1. X minus 1 into x square plus 1. A into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Okay, then x equal to multiply by a, that is ax square plus a plus bx plus c into x. So bx square plus cx minus bx minus c. Okay, and denominator part both sides same, so it is cancelled. So this equal to x equal to x square common, that is a plus b into x square. A plus b into x square, then plus x common c minus b. C minus b plus a minus c. Constant term. Yes. Okay. Now comparing both sides. Okay. Equating the coefficients of like terms in both sides, we get so a plus b equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0. Okay, x square coefficient left hand side it is absent, so a plus b equal to 0. This is number 1. Then x coefficient left hand side is 1 and right hand side is c minus b. So c minus b equal to 1. C minus b equal to 1. Equation number 2. Then constant term a minus c, left hand side is absent, so a minus c equal to 0. A minus c equal to 0. Number 3. Okay. Now equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, so 1 plus 2, we get 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2, then a plus b plus c minus b equal to 0 plus 1. Okay, so b plus b minus b cancel, minus b and then plus b. So a plus c equal to 1. A plus c equal to 1. This is number 4. Now equation 3 and 4 adding, that is plus 3 plus 4. Equation 3 plus equation 4. So add these two, get a minus c plus equation 4 is a plus c. A plus c equal to 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Now plus c minus c cancel, plus c minus c. So 2a equal to 1. 2a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now a minus c equal to 0. A minus c equal to 0. That means a equal to c. A equal to c equal to half. So a and c are half. So we got a, c. Now b. So a plus b equal to 0.
B equal to minus A.
Yes, a plus b equal to 0. So b equal to minus a and a is half. So minus half. Okay. So therefore a equal to half, b equal to minus half, and c equal to half. Okay. Now x by, so it is integration of x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. X square plus 1 into x minus 1 dx. Okay, this equal to see a by x minus 1. So
Half by x minus 1.
A means half. So dx by x minus 1. Okay. Then dx plus c by x square plus 1. Okay. Plus bx plus c. So b is minus half. Minus half bx plus c is half by x square plus 1. X square plus 1 dx. Okay. Dx. So this equal to half into dx by x minus 1. Okay. Now write separately. First to take minus half x by x square plus 1, that is minus half into x by x dx by x square plus 1. Okay. Then plus half half into dx by x square plus 1. Okay. Okay, now integrate this all equal to, so dx by x minus 1 is half log mod x minus 1 integration minus, see, x square plus 1 derivative is 2x. So in the numerator it is present only x. So need 1 2. Okay. Then integration is log of mod x square plus 1. So need 1 2. So half into 2 you can write. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 log mod of x square plus 1. Okay. Plus half into dx by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x.
Log
Tan inverse x, x square plus 1. Tan inverse x plus c. Plus c. So this equal to half into log mod of x minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 log mod x square plus 1. Okay. Plus half tan inverse x plus c, integration constant. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 9. Integration of 3x plus 5 dx plus 5 divided by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Okay, x cube minus x square minus x plus 1, 3x plus 5 into dx. Okay, so this equal to, we can write 3x plus 5 by okay, x cube and x square is common, x minus 1
Yes, sir.
square common, x minus 1 minus 1 common, x minus 1 dx. So integration of 3x plus 5 by x square minus 1 into x minus 1 dx, and x square minus 1 is a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
3x plus 5, so x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Okay, into dx. Okay, so use partial fraction rule. Therefore 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 equal to a by
x plus 1 plus bx plus c by x minus 1 whole square.
not bx plus c, it is not quadratic.
A by x minus 1 plus a by x minus 1 whole square.
Yes, plus b by another constant b by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, plus c by
Yes, sir.
x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1. Okay, ABC are three constant. Now LCM, first to write left hand side 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Okay, this is equal to x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. So a into what?
X minus 1 into x plus 1.
That is x square minus 1. Okay, plus
Yes, sir.
b into x plus
X
1.
plus,
X plus 1
yes, sir.
plus c into x minus 1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this equal to 3x plus 5 equal to ax square minus a plus bx plus b. Okay, plus a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So cx square minus 2ab 2x, so minus 2cx 2xc. Okay, plus 1
Plus C.
1 plus c. Okay, then 3x plus 5 equal to, so x square common, a plus c. Okay,
A plus C.
a plus c plus x common,
B minus, B plus
b minus 2c
2C.
no? X common, b
Yes,
minus
sir.
2c, and then plus constant term without x, b plus c minus a,
Plus B minus A.
b plus c minus a. Is it no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now comparing both sides. Therefore, a plus c equal to 0. Number 1 equation. Then x coefficient b
B minus 2C is equal to 3.
b minus 2c equal to 3.
3.
Number 2. Then constant term b plus c minus a equal to
5.
b plus c minus a equal to 5. Number 3. Okay. So equation 2 and 3. Okay. 3 minus 2. Then b and b will be cancelled. 3 minus equation 3 minus equation 2. Okay. Equation 3 minus equation 2. We get b plus c minus a 3 minus equation 2 b minus minus plus 2c equal to 5 minus 3. Okay, so b cancel, minus b plus b equal to minus a
C minus A.
plus 3c, no? Minus
Yes,
a plus
sir.
3c equal to 2. This is equation 4. Okay, and first one is a plus c equal to 0. So 1 plus 4 now. Equation 1 plus equation 4. Equation 1 plus equation 4. We get equation 1 is a plus c. A plus c. Okay. Plus equation 4. That is minus a plus 3c equal to 0 plus 2. Okay. A plus c equal to 0. So minus a plus a will be cancelled. So 3c plus c, 4c equal to 2. C
equal to half.
2 by 4, that is half. C equal to half. Now a plus c equal to 0. So a equal to minus c equal to minus half. Okay. Then b minus 2c equal to 3. B minus 2c equal to 3. So b minus 2 into c is half equal to 3. This 2 cancel.
B equal to 4.
So b equal to 3 plus 1, it is 4. Okay. Now integration becomes, therefore integration is 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 dx. This equal to first a by x minus 1. Okay. So a means minus half.
Half.
Minus half dx by a by x minus 1.
X minus 1.
So dx by x minus 1. Okay. Then b by x minus 1 whole square. So b is 4.
4 integration dx by x minus 1 whole square.
Yes. 1 whole square. Okay. Then plus c by
Plus half.
c by x plus
Half
1
integration
is half
dx by x plus
dx by x plus 1. Okay. Integrate now. So equal to minus half log mod of x minus 1. Okay. Plus 4 into x minus 1 whole square means 1 by x minus 1 whole square, that is x minus 1 to the power minus 2. Okay. So it is x minus 1 power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Plus half
Yes, sir.
log mod of x plus 1 plus c, integration constant. Okay. Now this equal to minus half log x minus 1. Okay. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus minus 1 by x minus 1, no? See. Minus 1 by x minus 1. And 4 is there, no? 1, 4. So 4 right here. Okay. So minus 4 by x minus 1. Okay, it is clear? Plus
Yes, sir.
plus half into log of mod x
Log of x plus 1.
plus c. Okay, this is the answer. This is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Okay. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Practice all.
Thank you, sir.